So the stock tail light on this Sportster is not that bright at night in running mode. I already got the brake light swapped out here for brighter turn signal and brake, but for running, it's not that bright, and I want to be seen. So I purchased a couple different light heads, including Whelen and a couple different other brands. Ended up going with this brand here, Oznium. I did not go with these side views though. I went with their, let's see, it's an 11 millimeter silver bullet. It's got no lens, and it is red in the 3-watt bulb or 3-watt chip. If you get the lens on it, which will clean up the beam pattern, it just won't be as bright. It'll be a 1-watt chip. So I wanted brighter. I went with this one. I made a couple Deutsch connectors on a 4-conductor wire. These are waterproof. This is so I can take the saddlebags on and off. 2 pins will be used for power and ground on the running lights that we'll be putting in here, these guys. And the other 2 pins will be for interior saddlebag lighting once I figure out which lights I want to use. I have this over here. I have a roll of this shit. So I may use some of this. I can cut it and solder at any point there. So, I went 7 inches down from center, and then 3 inches in from the inside. Shit, come on, focus. All right, well. Anyways, put some of those squares that hold the zip ties with double back tape, stuck them on there, and then butt connected it for now because I'm going to be adding more lighting. That's it. I just ran the cables out a little bit. Zip tied that Deutsch connector to the support bar on the saddlebag. Turn off this light. There we go. So if I need to remove the saddlebag, cut the zip tie, disconnect it, and then zip tie the Deutsch connector to the silver trim piece. That's how it looks. It's pretty flat. So let me get it connected here, finish the other side, get it connected, and show you the difference. Got both saddlebags finished and wired up. Blue wire is running for rear tail light. Black wire is ground. So my red and black coming from both sides. They tie in, and I soldered them in right there. So now I'm just gonna zip tie these up, clean them up, tuck them back in. Pretty damn bright. So that's without the rears. That's just the tail light. It's kind of hard to see because of that headlight blasting against the garage door. That's how bright the tail light is. Let me get the new lights hooked up, and I'll show you how bright those are. And that's $6 light heads that are super bright. And super clean too. Very, very thin light head. They're gonna be seen. And then with the brake lights. Oh yeah.